Hey there, welcome back to our hormonal health series. Today's lesson we're talking about the two super important hormones that often don't get enough attention, LH and FSH. This might sound like mysterious acronyms, but they're actually key players in our hormonal health. So, what exactly LH and FSH? Their full names are luteinizing hormones and follicle stimulating hormone. Both are produced by your pituitary gland, which is a pea-sized powerhouse sitting right at the base of your brain. Think of these hormones are conductors of your reproductive orchestra. They're sending signals to your ovaries, coordinating everything that happens during the menstrual cycle. Let's start with LH, luteinizing hormone. The star role of LH is triggering ovulation. You know that surge of LH that happens mid-cycle? That's your body's way of saying, release the egg. That's literally the hormone that tells your ovary it's time to let go of the mature egg. But LH doesn't stop there. After ovulation, it helps to form what's called corpus luteum. That's like temporary gland that forms in your ovary where was released. This little structure is super important because it pumps out progesterone, the hormone that prepares your uterus for potential pregnancy. Now let's talk about FSH. As the name suggests, FSH stimulates the growth of follicles in your ovaries. These follicles are like tiny little sacs that contain your eggs. During the first half of your menstrual cycle, FSH is busy helping these follicles grow and mature. It's like a gardener nurturing these follicles until one becomes dominant and ready to release its egg. Without FSH, those eggs would never mature properly, which is why it's so crucial for fertility. The dynamic duo, how LH and FSH work together. The beauty of these hormones is how they work as a team. They are in constant communication with your ovaries and with each other. FSH kicks things off by stimulating follicle growth. As those follicles grow, they produce estrogen, which eventually triggers that LH surge we talked about. Then LH takes over, finalizing the egg's maturation and triggering its release. It's like perfectly choreographed dance that happens months after months. FSH sets the stage and LH delivers the grand finale, ovulation. Understanding LH and FSH helps us see the amazing hormonal regulation behind fertility and reproductive health. Their delicate balance is crucial not just for ovulation, but for your entire menstrual cycle. When these hormones get out of balance, it can lead to irregular periods or fertility issues. That's why they're often checked when someone is having trouble conceiving or experiencing menstrual irregularities. That wraps up our look at LH and FSH, the unsung heroes of our reproductive system. In our next lesson, we'll explore how all these hormones we have discussed work together throughout your monthly cycle. See you then.